rating different types of people in Gorilla Tag. Alright, here we got the modders. Alright, so like I'm gonna do a tier list, and sorry, step on it. And also, you see blood on me? Let me put some blood behind me. I think it was because I killed a bug. It was blood. I'm not gonna kill it. But I'll rate modders kind of fun sometimes, but city libraries sometimes the best. But so I'll rate them a B tier. Alright. So here we got the mini game skins. Alright, straight up, some people say F tier, which I agree on, but sometimes I'm bored and there's nothing to do, and I don't even want to do the custom maps, so sometimes I just do mini games. Alright, don't bully me. So I'm gonna rate them I'm gonna rate them an E tier. I hope that's a thing. But yeah, I'm gonna rate them that. And then now, just the normal people. Alright, now this is A tier. A tier. Poo poo. Alright, so got modders, B tier, mini games kids, E tier. Well, I still hope that's the thing. And the normal people, A tier. I know there's an S tier. But it's just good, but and also and here we got the ghosts. I mean, it is fun to go ghost hunting, but I got banned from Gorilla Tag, and if I get banned again, then I'll get banned longer, and you know you don't want that, guys. But I do Gorilla Tag experience, but I still do Gorilla Tag, not videos on Gorilla Tag, only Gorilla Tag experience. But this thing. Right, back to the video. Alright, here we got the grass touchers. That's not a thing, but I touch grass. I'm a grass toucher. I'm gonna put that in S tier. S tier. S tier. Bye.